Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best Grohe Faucets is probably one of the most crucial elements in any modern kitchen, seamlessly blending sophisticated design with unparalleled functionality to elevate your culinary space. Choosing the right one means investing in daily convenience, long-term durability, and a touch of luxury that truly transforms your kitchen experience, making every interaction with water a pleasure. Number 5. Grohe 4604800 Ceramic Cartridge. Introducing the Grohe 4604800 Ceramic Cartridge. This essential component ensures optimal performance for your single-lever faucets. Experience unparalleled ease with its Grohe Silk Move technology. This feature guarantees smooth and precise handling every time you use your faucet. It boasts a robust ceramic sealing system. This advanced design provides long-lasting durability and prevents leaks, ensuring peace of mind. Take control of your water usage with its adjustable flow rate limiter. This allows you to set the perfect flow for any task, saving water and energy. Designed for versatility, it is compatible with all single-lever faucets. Upgrade your existing fixtures with this high-quality, unfinished cartridge. What we like? This component offers precise control and smooth operation for your faucet. Its ceramic sealing ensures durability and leak-free performance. If you value German engineering and a long-lasting, reliable internal part for your Grohe faucet, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Universal 3-Function Faucet Spray Head Kit. This universal faucet head replacement is designed to refresh your kitchen sink experience. It comes with a comprehensive adapter kit, ensuring compatibility with most major faucet brands. With 15 included adapters, it fits popular brands like Moen, Delta, and Kohler. Please confirm your faucet type and thread size to ensure a perfect fit, as it is not suitable for all models. Enjoy 3 distinct water modes: a gentle stream, a powerful spray, and a flushing option for stubborn stains. Easily switch between them with the 2 intuitive buttons, adapting to all your daily kitchen tasks. Crafted from engineering-grade ABS plastic with a brushed nickel finish, it ensures quality and longevity. Its silicone nozzles are easy to clean, resist rust, and prevent leaks, saving water and energy. Installing it is incredibly easy and takes just minutes, with no extra tools needed. Everything required, including an aerator key and Teflon tape, is provided for a quick replacement. What we like? This replacement head comes with a comprehensive adapter kit, making it highly versatile for various faucet brands. It offers 3 distinct spray modes for all your kitchen tasks. If you are looking for a universal upgrade with multiple spray options and broad compatibility, this product is ideal. What people say. Number 3. Hygie Rinse 3-Mode Swivel Aerator. This aerator is designed for wide compatibility, fitting most American standard kitchen and bathroom faucets. Installation is a breeze, requiring no tools and just a simple hand-tightening process. Its flexible 2-ball connector allows for full 360-degree rotation. This makes tasks like washing your face, gargling, or cleaning the sink incredibly convenient and effortless. Choose from 3 distinct water flow modes: a gentle bubble stream, a powerful spray rinse, or a strong flow. You can easily switch between these options with a simple rotation of its base. Crafted with a fine metal finish, it boasts a pleasant luster and is corrosion-resistant for long-lasting use. Its detachable nozzle and double-layer filter ensure easy cleaning and purer water. Transform your daily kitchen and bathroom routines with this versatile and durable aerator. It offers convenience, flexibility, and enhanced water quality, making every task simpler. What we like? This aerator attachment provides exceptional flexibility with its 360-degree swivel design. It also features 3 convenient water flow modes for different needs. If you need enhanced maneuverability and varied spray patterns for your existing faucet, this extender is a smart addition. What people say. Number 2. Brushed Nickel Kitchen Faucet Head Replacement Kit. Upgrade your kitchen with this versatile faucet head replacement. It comes with a comprehensive adapter kit, ensuring compatibility with many major faucet brands. This kit includes 15 adapters, fitting brands like American Standard, Moen, Delta, and Kohler. Please confirm your faucet type as it's not suitable for Pfister, Glacier, RV, or magnetic faucets. Experience 3 distinct water modes: soft bubble for gentle rinsing, strong spray for powerful cleaning, and flushing for stubborn stains. Easily switch between them with its intuitive 2-button design. Installation is a breeze with all necessary tools included, such as an aerator key and Teflon tape. Simply unscrew your old head and replace it. No extra equipment is needed. Crafted from engineering-grade ABS plastic with a brushed nickel finish, it promises quality and longevity. Its silicone nozzles prevent leaks, are easy to clean, and resist rust. This product features a multi-mesh aerator, providing a no-splash experience. It also filters out most impurities, helping to save water and energy. What we like? This sprayer head boasts extensive compatibility with major faucet brands thanks to its 15-piece adapter kit. It provides 3 versatile water modes for efficient cleaning. If you own a popular brand faucet and desire a durable, multifunctional replacement head, this option is perfect. What people say. Number 1. Hygie Rinse Universal Faucet Head Replacement. Tired of limited faucet options? This universal replacement head is designed to fit almost any existing faucet. It comes with 15 adapters, ensuring compatibility with major brands like Moen, Delta, and Kohler. No more guessing if it will fit. This package includes a comprehensive kit of 15 adapters, making it truly versatile. Simply choose the correct one from the manual for a perfect match. Experience enhanced convenience with 3 distinct spray modes: stream, spray, and a powerful flushing option. The flushing mode easily tackles stubborn food debris, making cleanup a breeze. You can effortlessly switch between these modes using its 2 intuitive buttons. Crafted from engineering-grade ABS plastic with a sleek brushed nickel finish, this head is built for longevity. Its silicone nozzles are easy to clean and resist rust, ensuring it remains pristine. Plus, its leak-free design helps conserve water and energy. Installation is incredibly simple and requires no special tools. Just unscrew your old faucet head and twist this one on. It also features a multi-mesh aerator, preventing splashes and filtering out impurities for cleaner water. What we like? This replacement head offers near-universal compatibility with its extensive adapter set, fitting almost all faucet types. Its unique flushing mode is excellent for tackling stubborn food debris. If you prioritize maximum compatibility and a powerful cleaning function for your kitchen sink, this is a great choice. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.